Welcome. In front of me is a Bocoin K800, and today I will show you how to boot the device into safe mode. So to start off, you want to hold the power key, and once you see the power off option, instead of tapping on it, hold it like so, and you will see a little window pop up saying reboot to safe mode, and you can just confirm it by tapping on OK. And now wait for the device to actually reboot, and once it's back on, you will see a little message on the bottom left corner stating that the device is in safe mode. So let's wait for that to happen. As you can see, you have a safe mode right here. So the device is now indeed in safe mode, and if you want to leave this mode, you can just hold the power key again and just simply select reboot and confirm it, and now once the device is back on, safe mode will be gone. And as you can see, now the Android is back into the normal mode. So that is how you enable safe mode, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.